Welcome to this explainer. Okay, I am so thrilled you're here today because we are diving headfirst into a massive detective story. This isn't just about cracking open a dusty textbook. We're talking about the ultimate investigation into human curiosity and the actual rules of reality. Since day one, humans have looked around and just been fascinated by how things work. So we're going to unpack exactly how we started figuring out the universe using the greatest tool we have.
Have you ever actually stopped to wonder about this? You drop a pin, it falls. But why down? Why doesn't it just float away? It's kind of wild that we take this everyday mystery completely for granted.
Or think back to being a kid in the backseat of a car at night. Remember how the moon just seemed to follow you no matter how fast you were driving? It's this beautiful illusion that is deeply rooted in celestial mechanics.
And what about the invisible mechanics happening around you right at this very second? How does light travel at such breakneck speed to hit your eyes? Or, how do the sound waves of my voice, vibrating out of your speakers right now, reach your ears so you can actually understand me?
Okay, let's dive into this. When you take all those specific, everyday questions and zoom way, way out, you're left with this one ultimate puzzle. How does this entire universe actually work? And trying to answer that massive question has a very specific name.
Section 1. The Power of Curiosity, Seeking Answers to Nature's Rules.
You see, this whole journey wasn't just invented on a random Tuesday. The very moment early humans started watching the sun rise, the rain fall, or fire heat things up, they started asking why. And that basic, relentless curiosity leads directly to our core definition here. Physics is the science that attempts to understand the fundamental laws of nature. It's really not about memorizing complex formulas. It is literally about decoding reality itself.
Let's look at how this plays out in real life. When you toss a ball up and it comes back down, that's gravity. When you're driving and slam on the brakes, causing the car to jerk to a stop, that is force in motion. Right now, the phone in your pocket is holding a charge because of electricity and electromagnetism. Honestly, even just looking up at the stars tonight, that's physics in action. It is happening constantly, right in your hands and all around you.
Section 2. The Scientific Method, from ancient observation to modern science. So, to go from passively watching nature to actively decoding it, humanity had to build a system. And this simple sequence is the absolute backbone of all modern science. First, you observe something happening. Second, you question it. You literally ask, why is this doing that? Third, and this is the absolute crucial part, you experiment. Fourth, that experiment gives you a result. And finally, you draw a conclusion based on that hard data. This exact, brilliant loop is what unlocks the truth of the universe.
Section 3. The Giants of Physics, the thinkers who changed the world.
The crazy